You're using ChatGPT wrong. Everyone asks it to write essays and emails, but that's like using a jet to fetch groceries. In this video, I'll show you 5 ChatGPT hacks power users quietly use to get smarter, faster results. Stick around. The last one feels like cheating. First, role prompting. Instead of asking a normal question, give ChatGPT a job. Say, act as my marketing expert and help me create a campaign for a new product. Instantly, it answers like a pro in that field. This works for anything: lawyer, fitness coach, business analyst, you name it. Second, force it to think. Add think step by step, or explain your reasoning before answering. ChatGPT will slow down, reason through each stage, and give you more logical, accurate results. It's like turning on its brain's debug mode. Third, make it organize the chaos. Tell it, present your answer in a table with columns: name, price, pros, and cons. Suddenly you've got clean, professional-looking data instead of a wall of text. Perfect for research, comparisons, or anything that needs structure. Fourth, teach it who you are before asking questions. Drop a quick background paragraph like, here's what my company does and who my customers are. Then ask your question. Now the answers sound personal, aligned with your tone and goals. It's the difference between generic help and custom assistant. Finally, the hybrid expert trick. Tell it, you are both a content strategist and a UI designer. Give me both viewpoints. It merges skills and produces a balanced, creative response you wouldn't get from either role alone. It's like two specialists brainstorming inside one AI. Now you know 5 ChatGPT hacks most users will never discover. Try them today and watch how much smarter your results become. If this made you rethink how powerful ChatGPT really is, hit subscribe, because this is just the start. Every week, D-Don Labs drops new AI hacks, tools, and experiments that make you work smarter and think sharper. So subscribe now and turn on notifications. Don't let the algorithm decide when you level up.